My name is Lisa Duffy and I'm an Infection Prevention and Control Programme Manager at Health Education Improvement Wales. So the Programme Manager role in relation to infection prevention and control is looking at preventing harm from healthcare associated infection. So that's to protect everybody, visitors, healthcare workers and patients. And it is to develop the workforce and develop their education and training. So I really enjoy collaborating and engaging with other health professionals, particularly nurses, to look at developing their role in relation to their practice and their education. So on this day, remember the amazing contribution that you make. You've got the power to make a difference to everybody.